First light paints the graying hues of gold, a whispered promise, a story to unfold. Stillborn sleeping in the morning chill, waiting for the sun to climb the hill. Silence hangs, a breath held in the air, a blueprint's dream, a silent hopeful prayer, rising slowly from the sleeping town, where roots run deep in this sacred ground.
sparks are flying in the midday sun. The rhythm of the hammers beats as one. Cranes are dancing in a metal ballet, forging a new skyline, come what may.
From deep foundations to the highest spire, fueled by the flames of passion and of fire, a symphony of motion, sound and force, setting the new world on its proper course.
We are reaching for the clouds, hear the anthem of creation singing out in crowd. With a spirit bold and strong, building the tomorrow where we all belong. This is the heartbeat, this is the soul, making the vision whole.
The city watches this colossal climb, a testament of progress built to stand through time. 3 towers rising elegant and grand, the finest craftsmanship in all the land.
With every rivet, every single beam, we realize a long and cherished dream. A vertical city touching the sublime, a landmark for a future in its prime. We are reaching for the clouds, hear the anthem of creation singing out in cry. With a spirit bold and strong, building the tomorrow where we all belong. This is the heartbeat, this is the soul, making the vision whole. Feel the energy, the unrelenting pace, giving this new icon its form and its place. From the ground up, with purpose and with pride, now there is nowhere left for dreams to reaching for the sky, see the reaching for the sky, see the The sun is setting, painting gold on glass. The final shadows of the day now past. The work is done, the noise begins to cease, and all the world settles into peace. I see the windows shining one by one, reflecting back the colors of the sun. And in each light a story will reside, with warmth and laughter held within inside. This is more than concrete, more than wood and stone. This is the place that we will call our home, with panoramic views of all the world below. A quiet sanctuary where our lives can grow. From these new windows we will see the stars and heal our wounds and show our loving scars. This is the harbor, this is the star. A home is built inside a beating heart. Imagine mornings with a coffee cup, watching the quiet city waking up. The sound of children playing down the hall. A place to stand up, steady and so tall. The community club, a place to meet a friend. A story starting that will never end. The parks and pathways, green and calm and wide, with nothing left to run from, nothing left to hide. This is more than concrete, more than wood and stone. This is the place that we will call our home, with panoramic views of all the world below. A quiet sanctuary where our lives can grow. From these new windows we will see the stars and heal our wounds and show our loving scars. This is the harbor, this is the star. A home is built inside a beating heart. From up here, everything looks clear and small. The perfect place to be after the fall, to find our balance, find our sacred space, and live with beauty, dignity, and grace.
place to call our home. Bogdashi, the sky, my home beneath the sky.